Welcome! If you're looking to enable autoplay videos on your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC, you've come to the right place. With the latest update, Facebook has made it even easier to control how videos play on your page. Whether you want to boost engagement or simply enjoy a seamless viewing experience, turning on autoplay is a breeze. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your page profile photo there. Click on it. This will open up a menu with several options. Next, find and select Settings and Privacy. This will expand into more choices, and from there, click on Settings. You're now in the main settings area, where you can customize a variety of features for your page. Now, scroll down the menu on the left side until you find the Media section. Click on Media to access all the settings related to videos and photos on your Facebook page. Here's where you'll find the option you're looking for. Look for the setting labeled Autoplay Videos. Next to it, you'll see a toggle or drop-down menu. Simply choose On to enable autoplay for videos on your page. This means videos will now start playing automatically as you scroll through your feed, making your page more dynamic and engaging for your audience. And that's it. You've successfully allowed autoplay videos on your Facebook page using the app on your PC. With autoplay enabled, your content will grab attention right away, keeping viewers interested and encouraging them to watch more. If you ever want to turn autoplay off, just follow these same steps and choose Off instead. It's all about having control over your page and how your content is experienced. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.